It's another powerful word, and I love it. You know, normally what happens in normal situation, if we do not like anything, we simply say we don't like it or we don't like that, blah blah blah. But if it happens that you cannot even tolerate the existence, of something, which means you have got a feeling of ultimate hatred or extreme level of hatred towards that specific thing, right? If it happens to you, let's say a person, if the name comes up to your mind, you get to be way, angry because you cannot take it. Personally, I abhor people who send their parents to a shelter house, an elderly shelter house, or you call it Bidhastro. I really do abhor such kind of people who have got such kind of mentality, because your parents did help you grow up, with a good environment, and once you were adult, once it's time for you to take care of your parents, you were, getting to enjoy your luxury alone, getting your parents off of your house. It's not good. So I abhor such kind of people. I do it. I don't know how do they even think of it. How do they come up with such kind of mentality? Anyway, it's just to get you an understanding about the intensity, of the meaning of this word, the feeling that it gets. Abhor. You get to be onto this much of, an extreme feeling. All right, like you cannot take it. All right. Hope you got to have this whole video pretty meaningful, pretty useful. If so, if possible, if you are new to this channel, if possible, if you think it would be better for your friends, do share this video with your friends and get this shared on your timeline as well, so that whenever you get to have time, you could review this whole video and get through these words. All right, and nothing else. This is high time for me to sign off. Therefore, Arich signing off for now. Hope to see you on one next video. Till then, stay at home, stay safe, and get to be pretty curious about my next video. Thank you so much. Hats off.